How to manage share group while link on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage share group while link on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then go to any chat you want, like this one, and then just click here and click this one, share link to join group. Click on it, and here you will find this one, share group via link. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, share group via link has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click, and it's easy. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.